In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language in the MSN Weather app quickly and easily. If you're seeing the weather page in the wrong language, or you just want to switch to a language that's more comfortable for you, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Now let's get started. First, open your browser and go to msn.com. Once the MSN homepage loads, look for the Weather tab and click on it. This will take you directly into the MSN Weather section. After you're in the Weather tab, go to the top right corner of the page and click on Page Settings. This is where MSN lets you manage your weather preferences, including region and language settings. In the Settings menu, find the option for Region and Languages. When you open it, you'll be able to see your current language displayed there. This is useful because it confirms what language is currently active before you make any changes. Now click on the language option and choose your desired language from the list. As soon as you select it, the page will reload automatically and your new language preference will be applied. It's that simple. Depending on your browser or region, the page may refresh once or twice, but after that, the MSN Weather content should appear in the language you selected. If you don't see the change right away, just wait a moment for the reload to finish. This method is helpful whether you're using MSN Weather for daily forecasts, local weather updates, or planning ahead and want everything displayed in your preferred language. So to quickly recap, go to msn.com, open the Weather tab, click Page Settings, open Region and the Languages, and then choose your preferred language. Once the tab reloads, you're done. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.